Have you been looking for an affordable all-brick new construction home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to check out the 2030 floor plan by Adams Homes in Piedmont, South Carolina. Hey, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by supporting and guiding them as they purchase their dream home and helping them sell at the highest price. And we would love to help you do the same as well. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All of our contact information are in the description box below. All right, let's check out the 2030 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Piedmont, South Carolina. And this home is located, it's about 7 miles or so from downtown Greenville and close to Simpsonville area as well. This is a 4-sided brick home, and like I said, the model name is 2030, and the square footage on this home is 2030 square feet as well. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, all brick. We'll go inside and check it out here. And you got this nice 2-panel glass on both sides of the door. Lets in more natural light into the home. Nice and open. You got the formal dining room here. Tray ceilings. You got the nice crown molding. That goes into the kitchen. We'll go over there in a moment. And just kind of swing around here. Got the little chandelier as you come in. Crown molding in the entryway as well. Coat closet. Luxury vinyl plank floors throughout the main living area. You get the laundry room here. 2-car garage, automatic door opener. That's the water heater over there. The attic access is right in the garage as well. Okay, nice open floor plan home. Granite countertops, tile backsplash. Okay, refrigerator will go there. Okay, so right here is where the breakfast area would be. You got the formal dining room in the very first room as we came in. And you've got plenty of space in the peninsula area here for bar stools. So if you wanted to put bar stools in, you can do that. Nice size family room area there. And let's check out these bedrooms on this side. Start over here. Got the bathroom, double sinks. Okay, so you can see you got the LVP flooring in the hallway areas as well. Closet in the first bedroom here. Bedroom number 2. Got double doors for the closet. It's a little bit bigger closet. Then a linen closet here. And bedroom number 3 with the step-in closet. All right, let's go check out the primary bedroom. So the primary has a tray ceiling fan, walk-in closet, double sinks, brush nickel hardware towel with a little bench there, the water closet. We've got a linen closet in here as well. Okay. And oh, by the way, I forgot to mention in the kitchen, so these are soft close drawers, even in the kitchen, soft close cabinet doors, and the microwave, the vent is also vented outside. So, if you're like me and you like to cook with spices that, kind of, cause your house to smell a little bit, that's nice to have it vented to the outside. All right, so let's get our bearings back right here. Go outside, and the blinds are built into the back door. Covered patio, as decent sized covered patio. And the builders actually already added a fenced backyard here. So this is already fenced in. So you wouldn't have to worry about, putting the fence up. Okay, so that's already done for you. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you, all right? Again, this is Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all the available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan the QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. All right, have a fantastic day, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. All right, bye.